ये तेरा कैप्चर हुआ है, ये मैं डालता हूँ फुटेज में। इनिशियल यही डालूंगा, बिकिनी फॉल्स। Hello guys, welcome to one more episode of a ride with StorMoto. Well, this time it's been a long time. I guess almost around 6 weeks that we spent the last ride, and so we were thinking to go for some breakfast ride, which we call it. However, today while going through the location, I found that there is a waterfall. Not sure though if it is a huge waterfall, a smaller one, or the smallest one, but would like to get into that place and to know what exactly it is. As I was saying, we are heading towards Bikkanapalli Waterfalls, and then on the way we'll have a breakfast. We have decided a point, however there is other club, right? So let's see if people are okay with to the same location which was decided, else we can switch over. There are so many places over where we can have nice breakfast early in the morning. There are other members already reached to the meetup point. Got a call just now, and I was saying that I was on the way. So along with me, Ravi is there. Those behind white lights, crazy white lights are his, as usual. Ravi always joins. Stay tuned, guys. It's the signal opening time, and go ahead. So yeah, these sounds are of YRC, Yamaha Riders Club Bangalore. They are heading towards this Chennai Road, New Madras Road, or you can say Bangalore Chennai Highway. So yeah, let's head on, and we'll keep you updated on the status of the place where we are heading to. Meanwhile, stay tuned. yes, this was the breakfast point. CHEEWS and CHEERS is the location. We had our breakfast over here, and this was the standing lineup for us, heading on to the Bikkanapalli Falls. See you on the way. Stay tuned. are at the point. Still, I think 500 meters to go, and this is how it's an off-roading road, completely off-road, I can say. And you gotta park. There's a home over there, so you can park the vehicles over there and then take this path to go into the waterfall. I can still get the noise of the water, or you can say the sound of the water which is calling. Not sure how good the fall is, however we are getting the the voice. Our fellow bikers have already reached to the point. Well, we were a little late locking up the things. Hope this will not embarrass us. Doesn't seem to be gonna embarrass us. As I said earlier, this is a less known waterfall. Maybe because of there's no road into this, people are not aware of, or maybe the water is not good, or maybe the location is not good. That we're gonna see in some time once we reach to the point. Slowly. Not recommended for people who are alone or wanna take their friends out. One or two guys are not recommended when you're come over with a team, because it's completely kind of forest village. Of the water, and here, yeah.